everyone, and welcome back to Memes Techratory. Today's video is a fun one. I'm going to be in the office and I'm diving into an upgrade of our Supermicro blades. We'll be installing 128 gigs of RAM, adding 2 terabytes of storage, and setting up IPMI access. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's get started. Hello again. Here is one of the blades so you can see up close. It gets plugged into the drive on this side, and the back side is what has the ports. I'm working with 2 blades today. Here's the other, and IPMI is right in the center. I also have 4 hard drives here. I'm removing this from the case, and this is the server that we are working with today. As you can see, I already beefed up one of the blades, so I'm going to add 4 RAM sticks to the second blade. Each stick has 32 gigs, totaling to 128 gigs for each blade. Even though these blades are old and busted, I'm being careful inserting each stick and ensuring that they click into place. Next, we are adding the hard drives. I have 4 here, 1 terabyte each. They have the attachment, and this is the release latch. So let's add them to the chassis. The orientation is pretty simple. The latch is on the outside, mouth facing up. You slide each hard drive into the bay until it's securely in place. Again, this Supermicro server is old and very used, so you need to push the drive really hard and have it stick in place. Each blade takes 2 drives, which is why there are gaps in between. Alright, we are in the back of the server now. I have both blades with me, and we are going to connect them to the server chassis. The 2 network ports are on top, and you can gently slide in the blade. You should hear a click, and when you pull it back, it should stay in place. Doing the same thing to the second blade and making sure it's in place. At the top of the rack, I have a switch. To set up IPMI access, we'll need to connect an Ethernet cable to the IPMI port. The monitor is also connected at the top of the rack, and here are the display adapters. This adapter gives a variety of options. So I'm going to connect the monitor and the keyboard to the blade so we can get into the BIOS. Turning the blade on, and it's going to be the loudest thing in this office. So you can see it booting up. I'm going to hit the delete button to get into the BIOS. First thing I like to look at is to make sure that the RAM chips are adding up. So you can see 128 gigs of RAM. Then I will navigate to the IPMI tab and make sure it's grabbing an IP address. This one is set to DHCP so we can access IPMI. That's it for now. Thank you for joining, and I hope you enjoyed this quick task. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now!